So beautiful babes, y'all have rehashed an old video of mine and I'm so glad. This Bellway video right here is a timeless classic, making the past feel fresh again. I can't stop hitting the replay button on this one and sharing it with my beautiful babes. It's the perfect example of what was old is new again. Let me just share with you. Yes, I do continue to consume, to take the capsules, all of that jazz of the Bellway products. And this video today is not sponsored, but I wanted to put on the tail end of this little scenario right here, my previous Bellway video for you to know more about Bellway and the fibers that they give us. Y'all, you want to achieve the perfect poop? Well, Bellway Super Fiber and Psyllium Husk is how you do it. Stay tuned for the video. Hello, beautiful babes. It is Sweet Angel here, back at you right here on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Listen, I'm excited today because the one thing I already know, just like me, the holidays can definitely do a number on the gut. And y'all, we have a sponsor today that I'm always excited to share with my beautiful babes. Y'all know this name because I've talked about these products before from Bellway. I want to thank Bellway for sponsoring today's video and also gifting me this new flavor of their super fiber fruit. This is mixed berry. Well, it's not necessarily a new flavor, but it's new to me. I have tried the raspberry lemon, the other like strawberry lemonade or lemon. Those two are good, but y'all, when I took this one down, this mixed berry is something delicious, okay? But let me tell you, it's not like a smoothie kind of thing like that, y'all. This is fiber. This is fiber that's going to help with your gut health. Now, y'all know your girl, I move and everything in me has to move as well. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Evacuating the large intestine, okay? You can't function some days if you're feeling bloated and stuffed. You know, you've eaten all of this holiday food and your body just don't like all of that. You gotta get it flowing, baby, and I got the stuff for you right here. Yes, this Bellway Super Fiber is just what you need for a happy gut. The reason being, Bellway's Psyllium Husk fiber gently travels through your gut, absorbing loose materials and toxins on the way. It exits smooth and easy, leaving you with some real good, you know what I'm talking about, evacuating that large intestine for sure. All you got to do is just remember to take it every single day for a happy gut. You'll be able to go to the bathroom without any problems. You'll have less bloating, and guess what? This also helps to clear your skin and even have your hair looking healthy. And we all need to improve our heart health. This is going to help you do just that. And I know you're wondering, Sweet Angel, is it going to help me lose some weight? Well, you know what? When you drink this, it definitely gives me a full feeling. So therefore, I eat less. And generally what I do, I take my scoop of the super fiber in 8 ounces of lukewarm water in the morning. It does come with a scoop, which is right here. Now, if you're new to it, just now starting it, start off with a half of the scoop. The next day or two, work your way up to 1 scoop, okay? And if you're really needing a good bold cleanse, go ahead and try 2 scoops. But give yourself some days in between taking it in order to advance. Now, what you can expect after 2 days, you'll have relief from digestive discomfort, fewer cravings between meals, and improved poop consistency. After about 1 week, You're looking at regular, healthy bowel movements, improved mood and energy, clearer skin, and healthier hair. And take this for a month, you know what you get? Lower risk of GI issues and conditions, improved cholesterol levels, and healthier weight management. Now, as you get more advanced in this, you can take it 1 to 3 times per day. That will definitely help to cleanse your system, and honey, that will definitely help to shed a few pounds that you didn't realize what was causing some of that weight. Now, it's recommended definitely, and you should mix this quite well and drink it right away. If you wait too long, it gets super thick. And also, if you're on any type of medications, make sure you wait at least 2 hours before or after to take your medicine. The thing is that fiber may interfere with the medicine absorption. This Bellway Super Fiber is amazing. There is so many great benefits to taking this, because what you're looking at is you're looking at all of those things that you have, those symptoms like you're always hungry. This will help with that. If you have high blood sugar, or if you're constipated, bloating, if you have that heavy feeling, this is going to help. Those who are suffering from high cholesterol, this is going to help. And for those who are even going too little, get yourself regulated with your Bellway Super Fiber. I love it, and I know that you will too. And let's do this together. Let's work on the internal us, and I promise you, it will come out on the exterior and have you feeling good and looking good. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, always doing my very best to share the best of products that are sent to me, and Bellway definitely is one of those. Again, I have endorsed them time and time again because y'all, if you've seen my kitchen, you know I keep Bellway products on hand all the time. And once you try it, you'll know why. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Please, if you enjoyed today's video or definitely got something out of it that you know you can use, please make sure you let me know that by putting a heart in the comments, dropping a like on it, telling everybody that you know all about what's going on right here and this wonderful product. Now, not only that, for my special beautiful babes, your girl has a discount code for you. You can save 25% on your Bellway purchase. Just check out the description box. You'll see my link there, as well as a discount code, SweetAngel25. Again, for 25% off. Just use my link below and that'll take you right to it. And I certainly do appreciate you all. Thank you again. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. I will see y'all on the next video, and keep on doing what you're doing, and that is sharing me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.